Today we got a video from Blue Line Body Cam, and the title of the video is $75 ticket turns into felony charges.
This guy is about to turn a $75 ticket into felony charges.
I already paid the ticket. You're under arrest. Stop resisting.
Officers were called to reports of a man making strange requests to people at the library. Here's what they found.
Looking for something over there?
Yeah, Fox. A cigarette. Let's go there.
Oh, okay. Yeah, somebody called and said that you had asked them if they wanted to smoke with you or something like that? No? What's your first name?
Why do you want to know?
Huh?
Why do you want to know?
Was that your car? We gotta investigate what's going on. Somebody called.
Who called?
Huh?
Who called?
Somebody that was at the library that you asked to smoke with them. You got an ID on you? Okay, well, you have to ID yourself.
I asked somebody for a cigarette, so what?
Okay. Do you have an ID on you? Okay. Okay, well, now you're being detained, so you're not free to go. You have an ID on you.
What do you? Don't touch me, man. Don't touch me. Don't fucking touch me.
Listen, is this your car?
Yes.
Okay. Are you you're the registered owner of the car?
Yes.
Okay. This car's coming back with a warrant on it. All right?
What?
With a warrant. You must
There's no warrant?
Yes. You might have a warrant. If
I
this is your
don't
car,
have a warrant.
If this is your car, the registered owner of this car has a warrant attached to it.
No, it doesn't.
Yes, it does.
No, it doesn't.
I'm not lying to you, man.
I don't care. I don't.
So
I'm
you're
not.
saying this is your car?
Yes, it's my
So
car.
register your ID and we'll get it all sorted out.
Okay, go ahead. Stop it on my way. A warrant for what? Tell me what for.
Failure to appear. So you must have missed the court
I
date.
paid court.
Listen.
I paid online. I went and paid online.
Listen.
I'm just telling you, I paid online.
I'm telling you too. There's a warrant that shows up for the registered owner of this car. What's your name? What's your
I
name?
already paid the ticket. It's been paid online. Check it and see. I paid it.
And we will once you give us your ID.
Okay. I'll get it. It's in my car.
Okay. Why don't we just give us your name? Because I don't. At this point, I don't feel comfortable.
I paid my thing online.
That's fine.
About a month ago. Way longer. A month and a half ago.
What was the ticket for?
It was something, a turn signal or something.
Okay, because a lot of times, if you get a court date, even though you paid it online, some things get misconstrued. All right.
Well, it's been paid, and they took it. Said don't worry about it.
How do you spell your last name?
Gallus. Galis.
And the reason why we did come out here is because someone had said this person is smoking in the parking lot or wants to smoke in the parking lot.
And smoking, you can smoke. There's no smoking.
Yeah, listen, it's not illegal to smoke a cigarette. I don't know if they meant weed or something like that.
Oh, I don't have no drugs. I don't do drugs. I didn't
Okay. So that's what we came over here thinking, based on the call.
I don't do drugs. I'm too old to be doing that.
I got you. How old are you?
I'm 52 years old.
52. Okay. All right, so they're going to call DuPage to see if it's a valid warrant or not. It's attached to your name, too. So this would have nothing to do, let's just say this was valid for whatever reason, okay? It has nothing to do with us. It has nothing to do, I'm just saying, it has nothing to do with Naperville Police Department.
So they already threw it out of court. They told me, pay it, and then you don't have to come to court. That's what I did.
Okay. Copy. All right, so it's valid. All right, so turn around, put your hands. So, Greg.
They gonna get them together.
Greg.
Hey, they gonna get you together now.
Going to jail for something I paid for.
22, you know.
What's the warrant for? You don't even tell me what you're arresting me for.
Greg, you have
Tell me what you're arresting me for.
Have a valid. Greg.
For what?
For missing a court date.
I already went to it and paid it.
You're going to get more charges.
I already went to it and paid it. Did I tell you I paid it?
Okay. Greg, you got to calm down.
I'm not going to fucking jail for something I didn't fucking do.
Calm down, man.
No, I'm not doing that.
Greg, you got to calm down, man.
Too bad.
Do you understand me? You're going to get more charges. Greg, we don't want to give you any more charges.
You're giving me a problem. I already paid the thing.
It's a warrant.
I'm not going to jail.
It's a warrant out of DuPage.
Hey, I have my fucking right. I am a citizen. I ain't going to jail for something I already paid for.
I got you, Greg.
Yeah, you got me.
But you're gonna get taken to the ground right now.
For what?
Because you're resisting right now. You're under arrest.
For what? I'm not going to put my car in pound and go get my car out either.
You gotta relax.
No.
Gotta relax. They gonna get you together.
I'm not going for something I already
You
paid
ain't
for.
acting right.
I don't care. I'm not going to pay for something I didn't.
All right, boys. Time to go to work.
Give me your up, Greg.
Oh.
Greg wanna play games.
Put your hands behind your back. Greg,
Can't breathe.
Get on your stomach, Greg. Greg, get on your stomach.
Greg can't breathe, he said.
Greg, I need you. All right.
Greg,
22 and 12 minutes.
Hey, me, Greg. Stop resisting. Stop resisting, Greg. Greg, you're under arrest. Stop resisting.
That's for good stuff for you. Robert 22 and Paul 12. Do you have a check?
Greg, stop resisting. We're fighting. You want to relax? Give me your hand.
My boy got the baton out, boy.
Give me your hand.
Do you want to tell for that home?
Greg, here, put your hand behind your back. Hang on. Now you got more options here, Greg.
Oh, Greg putting up a fight.
Give me your hand, Greg. Give me your hand. Pull his shirt up. Pull his shirt up. Pull his shirt up. There we go. Cuff it. Got him. Stop resisting, Greg. Stop moving your arm, Greg. Relax. Just relax. You're talking. You're okay. Just relax. Everything's good. Get the shirt out of the way. Get another set of cuffs. Yeah. Here. Just relax, Greg. Relax. Stop. Stop. Relax. You're okay, resisting. There you go. Take that off. Right, put these on. One more. Triple. There we go. Okay. All right. Sit him up. Okay. So just sit. Have a seat.
You know what? For any officers or retired officers and stuff, like police officers that watch me and stuff, can you answer why you guys don't ever really use your batons? You know, coming from the correction side of things, it's like, you know, we got pepper spray and batons, you know, so batons they're more utilized, you know, where police officers carry batons too, and you never really see them use that like at all. Like they'll use the taser, you know, they might use their pepper spray if they have some, or they use the gun. But I very rarely see them ever use the baton, like at all. So I'm curious as to that, and like, what's your guys' like, you know, typically what's your like level of uses of force? You know what I mean? Because for us, it's like, you know, the spray, like that's the number one thing. You know, you want to use your spray before you use your hands, you know, and then, you know, baton and that stuff like that or whatever, you know, like it's just, we have a certain level, you know, where, you know, I never see the cops use their batons at all. Very interesting.
Good.
Oh, my guy got hurt. He hurt an officer.
Hey, Greg, did you puke or was that water on the ground? Water.
I gotta go to some abuse and stuff with you guys. The warrant was already paid. I went to.
We explained to you, and the first words out of your mouth was, "I'm not going back to jail."
Why? I already paid for something.
He's still young.
Just because it's warrant? So he's upset now? Yeah. We had him. I'll put it in this FTA.
That's it? You drink it?
We had him pushed up against his car. We were telling him, we're like, dude, you're going to get more charges. I'm not going back to jail. You paid the ticket. Okay.
Hey, guys, this is Greg. He's complaining that he's not able to breathe right now.
Okay, what happened? They threw me to the ground and pounded my head against
Resisting arrest, got in a fight with
They pounded my head against the fucking asphalt. That's what it was.
Got his ass right.
Two girls called and said that he approached them asking if they wanted to smoke, just acting super suspicious. I ran the plate, come back on a warrant. He said, I'm not going back. I already paid that ticket. I'm not going back to jail. We had him.
There was a bit of a scuffle.
Yeah, we had him pushed up against the front of that truck.
Take him down the ground.
Down, yeah, right in the concrete. And his arms were underneath him. Just had to pull his arms off.
All right.
So
you guys okay?
I think the other guy went to the hospital.
Here he went to the hospital?
Yeah, I think his elbow was messed up or something like that. Yeah, he hit his elbow going down on him.
I'll ride with him. Just lock him in my squad.
He's riding with us. Yeah. All right, cool.
Use of force and officer got
Gregory was
injured.
charged with simple battery and resisting an officer. Eventually, this charge was updated to felony resisting arrest, causing injury to an officer.
Yeah.
His case is still active in the courts and could carry a sentence of 1 to 3 years in Illinois State Prison.
Yeah. Could get a year. That's a fact. That's a fact. Felony resisting arrest causing injury to an officer because he hurt his elbow. Cooked, bro. That little BS warrant that he had, like, come on, bro. You got some big boy charges now. Anyway, man, I think the officers did a good job, man. So I'm giving them 4 out of 5. Let me know in the comment section below how well you think the officers did. And I'm going to catch you in the next video.